Unbounce Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. Now let's dive into it. Unbounce is a landing page builder that allows dropshipping businesses to create high-converting, optimized landing pages without needing technical skills. It's designed to help marketers and store owners capture leads, drive conversions, and ultimately boost sales. For dropshipping businesses looking to improve their conversion rate optimization (CRO), Unbounce offers a suite of features to help you create landing pages tailored to specific campaigns, products, or promotions. Whether you're launching a product, running a special offer, or driving traffic from ads, Unbounce lets you build pages that are customized to your business needs. Features. Unbounce offers a range of features tailored for increasing conversions. One standout feature is the drag and drop builder, which allows you to create landing pages quickly without needing to write a single line of code. You can also take advantage of A/B testing to test different page designs, copy, and calls to action, helping you understand what works best for your audience. Unbounce also provides advanced targeting and dynamic text replacement, enabling you to show personalized content based on the user's location, behavior, or the ad they clicked. Additionally, Unbounce integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, MailChimp, and Google Analytics, giving you a comprehensive view of your campaign's performance. Strengths. One of the key strengths of Unbounce is its ease of use. The drag-and-drop editor makes it simple for anyone to create professional-looking landing pages. The A/B testing capabilities are another strength, as they allow you to optimize pages continuously and improve conversions over time. Unbounce's advanced targeting options and dynamic text replacement features are perfect for tailoring landing pages to specific customer segments. The tool is also highly integrated, syncing well with other tools that dropshipping businesses already use, saving time and improving efficiency. Weaknesses. While Unbounce is powerful, it might not be the most cost-effective solution for smaller businesses. The pricing can be steep, especially if you need to use advanced features like dynamic text replacement or require more landing page variants. Additionally, although Unbounce provides great tools for landing page creation, it doesn't offer the full e-commerce suite that other platforms like Shopify may provide. This means you may need additional tools for broader store management and fulfillment. Final verdict. Unbounce is a great tool for dropshipping businesses looking to optimize their landing pages and increase conversions. Its user-friendly interface, A/B testing, and advanced targeting features are invaluable for improving your marketing campaigns. However, its pricing might be a barrier for smaller stores, and you may need other tools for full store management. If you're serious about increasing conversions and improving your landing page performance, Unbounce is a solid investment. Check out the links in the description to learn more.